Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to add extra collections and dependencies. So my favorite collection that I want to add is Junos. I think this is 6.0. So I'm just going to copy and I'll paste it. And it's going to install the Junos collection from Juniper. It will take some time to complete the installation. So I'll pause the video and I'll continue when the installation is done. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is done. So we had extra dependencies installed, collections. So the first collection that was installed was the Junos, and as you can see, was installed over here. The next one that was installed was Net Common version 6, as you can see over here. The next one that was installed was Ansible Utils version 3.1 over here. So you can check it from here, and let's reference from the previous command. So we had the Net Common 1.3. So this came pre-installed with Ansible. Now let's see the collection that we have installed. So once again, Ansible collection list. And when you scroll, you are going to see the collections that we have installed on our image, our custom collections that we have installed over there. So I want to also add these extra dependencies over here. Okay, sorry, not this one to be precise. So I have these dependencies for Juniper because in future we'll be using this same image for Juniper automation. So it's going to install dependencies for Juniper automation using Ansible. So I'll pause the video and I'll continue when the installation is done, and I think it will be done soon. So let's wait. Okay. So it's installing the last dependency and we are done. So that's all. So we have everything installed and we are ready to move on. So in our next video, we are going to see how to package the container and push it to a repository.